Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So in order to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application. So in order to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now previously, if you had to deactivate your then you had to use your web browser. From further on, the Instagram has updated the feature and you can use the application to deactivate your account. So go ahead and open up your Instagram application and log in into the same account that you wish to. So once you're logged in, just go ahead and tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner and click on the try bar icon located in the top right. From here, go to account sender, and as you click on account sender, you need to go ahead and scroll down a bit and go to personal details. After you click on personal details, you need to go to account ownership and control. After that, you need to select whether you want to do a memorialization or deactivation or deletion. So select deactivation, and here you need to go ahead and select the account that you actually wish to go ahead and deactivate. So go ahead and tap on the account, and if you're sure about it, then click on the continue button, and next page is gonna ask you to provide in the password associated with your account. And as soon as you're done entering the following password, then your account will be temporarily deactivated for 30 days. However, after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted and you'll not be able to restore your account. So in this way, you can deactivate your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.